How to buy options DEGIRO. Here's your comprehensive guide on how to buy options using DEGIRO, ideal for smart investors navigating the platform. Options trading on DEGIRO requires an active or trader account. You'll need to complete DEGIRO's short appropriateness test and agree to extra term. DEGIRO supports stock index options and equity options, but does not support ETF or US equity options. You'll see these only with an upgraded account type. In the trading interface, go to Products Options. Choose your market, for example, CBOE for SPX, XSP. Find contracts by expiration date and strike price. Select call or put, specify strike and expiry. Choose order type, market, limit, stop loss, etc. Enter contract quantity and confirm. DEGIRO charges $0.75 per contract, plus exchange fees, $0.75 for US index options. A monthly €5 connectivity fee applies for US index options. Thanks for watching.